Tarantulas are large, hairy spiders found in warm climates around the world. They are known for their slow movements and nocturnal habits. Despite their fearsome appearance, most tarantulas are harmless to humans, with venom comparable to a bee's sting. They hunt insects, small reptiles, and even birds using their fangs. Tarantulas mold their exoskeletons to grow and regenerate lost limbs. They defend themselves by flicking irritating hairs from their abdomen. Some species are kept as exotic pets due to their unique appearance and docile nature.